Hey everybody, and welcome to Boston, Massachusetts. Today is May 23rd, 2023. It's about 60 degrees out. Today I'm just going to give you a quick tour of how to find some of the most famous grave sites in the Granary burying ground. So to start out, I'm just going to go straight to the right after entering. And we're going to head down to this corner of the burying ground. And over here is the grave of Samuel Adams. You can see. He was one of Boston's most prominent revolutionary leaders. His ability to galvanize popular support were pivotal in the success of the Boston Tea Party. He was also a signer of the Declaration of Independence. So I'm just going to head back this way. And I'm not going to walk all the way there because it's obvious. But it is the obelisk for Benjamin Franklin's parents. Benjamin Franklin is not buried here. He is buried in the Christ Church burial ground in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. His parents, Josiah and Abiah, are buried here, and I believe a few of his siblings. But Benjamin Franklin himself was not buried here or in Boston. So we're going to head over here to another famous grave. As we walk along Tremont Street. It is a gorgeous morning, by the way. Just a slight breeze. Perfect weather, really. So here is the grave of James Otis. 60s, Otis led the intellectual attack against British tyranny, composing ringing defenses of liberty that won Americans to the revolutionary cause and helped to inspire the well-known slogan, "No taxation without representation." Here it is. And we'll continue along the path here. And this gravesite will be very obvious. It stands out. As you can see ahead of us, it's going to be the gravesite of John Hancock, American founding father, merchant, statesman, signer of the Declaration of Independence, and prominent patriot of the American Revolution. And here you go. This is John Hancock's. Also known for, his name is known as a term of a signature. Like, put your John Hancock right here. Alright, so we're going to continue to the back. Alright, so this is going to be the gravesite of Peter Faneuil, one of Boston's wealthiest merchants. Here it is. So yeah, he was one of Boston's wealthiest merchants, built Faneuil Hall as a gift to the city. The building would serve as a meeting hall and permanent central marketplace. Peter Faneuil. Alright, and last but not least, in this direction, take a look from the burying ground from back here. Alright, so last but not least is the gravesite of Paul Revere. Paul Revere is, of course, famous for alerting colonial militia of British invasion before the battles of Lexington and Concord. There you go. Okay, so that'll do it for this video. As always, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. If you like my content in general and you haven't done so, hit the subscribe button. Check out my photography at WayneOxfordphotography.com.